What's going on, everyone? Will from WHCreations, and I've been pottering around in the workshop today. I just thought I'd show you some little upgrades I made to my CNC, my new Ooznest Z1 CNC. It might help someone out there, and the whole idea on this is I show you mine, you show me yours. Make sure to tag WHCreations hashtag in the comments, and when you post yours, let me know, and let's just share the information around, share the love. So here's my upgrade. First of all, I thought I'm gonna put my spoiler board down, and I'll put all these inserts in. Now this is nothing new whatsoever. Loads of other people have done it, and I made these cam clamps. Now I don't like the other kind of clamps that you see on CNCs. I find these much better, and anyone that I can't clamp with this, what I've done is I've made these little notched out pieces, and these just, sorry, these ones here, see they've got a little bit of a shape on them, and that's because I was actually routing out some lids from an oak barrel, and they had like a little curve on it, and I couldn't clamp it properly with that. So these just screw in to the cam clamp, and then when you tighten it all down, it tightens it in place. Nice and simple. Now I've got the Mayfield Router in the CNC. This is a new upgrade to my Katsu, but also I found this 3D print online. I think I found it on Ooznest actually, and it's a really good one that I can keep my Z plate in there as well, so whenever I want to find exactly the top of any material, I can just put that on and it's nice and quick. This is a little upgrade that I made. So it comes with like a crocodile clip, and I use a lot of weird and wonderful router bits in the CNC, so it was difficult to actually get a good connection. So all I've done is I put this connector on the end of the wire and connected the magnet to it. Nice and simple, gets out of the way as well, all good. The next upgrade is the table. Now this table was just made out of 3x2 material, nice and simple, but I've attached all of the cam clamps to the side. Now there's only one on there at the moment because I've got the other ones on the CNC, but as you can see they just fit on there when not in use. Nice and simple. Coming over to the keyboard now. Now I don't know how other people have their setup, but this is mine. So I've got my keyboard here, my mouse, and there's my computer screen. I've got all of my most used bits here. They just go into little holes that I've drilled out. And I've got this little setup here. Now this is really simple. It's just a piece of wood that I've super glued, and I can put all of these cases in there and it holds it nice and secure. Now the next one, I use a lot of USB memory cards, and again I just got a piece of scrap piece there. I put one this end, one that end, and then super glued it down into place. My emergency stops here, so it's always in easy reach, and that is about it. Now it's not new. I know there's going to be a lot of other people out on YouTube or Instagram that has something similar, but if this video helps one person, then I'm happy. But come on guys, show me your setup. Have you got anything special that you've done with your CNC to make it work better for you? Because if it does, then it might help someone else. Let's share the love, and I'll see you again soon.